Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today our discussion topic is about uses of lipid. Uses of lipid. As you studied earlier, that lipid is a biochemical molecule, and it is a very important and necessary for our life sustaining. So, what is the function or uses of lipid in our body, in human body, and without human body? So, in our body, the first one is that lipid act as energy storage molecule. Lipid store energy in the form of adipose tissue. As you know, beneath our skin, beneath the skin, dermis and epidermis, there are adipose tissue, and these adipose tissue store energy in the form of triglyceride. Clear? The second function is that in our body, lipid act as thermal insulator. Thermal insulator. Beneath the skin, adipose tissue, which resist heat flow and prevent our body from excess loss of heat or cooled. The third function is about a protective layer. In our body, there are many vital organs like kidney, heart, liver, etc. Around these vital organs, there are a special type of fats tissue that is called visceral fat, and they act as a protective layer against external shock, jerk, etc. The fourth one is it acts as a structural component of the cell membrane. As you know, cell membrane is composed of lipid bilayer. So these lipid bilayer composed of a phospholipid. And the fifth one is a lipid act as a hormone in our body. For example, cholesterol, which make six hormone like testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, as well as cholesterol regulate our BP, blood pressure. Clear? Acha. The other uses of lipid are we use lipid in soap making, and that process is called sponification process. In sponification process, fats plus sodium hydroxide, that is called lye or caustic soda, combine chemically, so they form glycerol and soap, and this soap is a caustic or fatty salt. The other material like lubricant, cosmetic, polishes, paints, greases also contain lipid, and these are about use of lipid.